आज हम हैं T63D में शिल्पा कुकरेजा मैम के साथ. So ma'am, if you talk about your like how you found us, like how you get to know about Furnishers 5.
Hmm. Actually, it was a bit of my research and also word of mouth, right?
Ah,
So on the society group, I got to know that you are one of the vendors who are the execution partners for modular furniture. But then along with that, I did a very thorough research myself. I shortlisted 10 to 12 vendors. I took
huh.
quotations from them, yeah, and I saw their work as well. And then I saw your work. I got in touch with you. I saw your work, and the kind of finesse that I saw in your work, the kind of I would say the creativity that I saw in your work was I think much
Ah,
better than the others.
thank you so
So
much,
then I
ma'am.
zeroed down on Furnishers 5. So it was word of mouth and of course my own research as well. Yeah.
So
And then the
glad.
videos that you make and you put, I think they were amazing too. So
Ah,
that was a great
thank you
pull
so much.
strategy. Yeah.
Amazing, ma'am. But I never knew that you searched for multiple papers in the very first.
I did. Yeah, yeah,
You did a
absolutely.
research
More
as
than
well.
10. Yeah, more than 10 to
Oh,
12. Yeah.
that's so amazing.
Yeah.
तो मतलब हम लोग कुछ तो अच्छा कर रहे हैं. So
For sure. Yeah.
yeah, so ma'am, like if you talk about like you found us and then how
Yeah.
it goes, like right from the designing to
Hmm.
manufacturing and then installation,
Hmm. Hmm.
because it's not something that you आप एक शॉप पे गए, you buy
Hmm.
something और आप ले आए, and like it is not like this. So it is
Yeah.
a complete process
Yeah.
that, और घर बनाना कहते हैं बहुत इतना आसान होता नहीं है.
Yeah.
तो how is we made it simple and easy, hassle free?
Actually, I always say that making a house is an emotional journey, right? And if the execution partner also kind of shares the same happiness, the same joy, the same enthusiasm,
So,
throughout the emotional journey, then the execution is excellent, right?
ah,
So I think that's what happened right from the pre-engagement stage when we were talking and we were just looking at I was looking at different vendors and you gave your quotation. From that time, the kind of enthusiasm you guys demonstrated, you guys came to my house, if you remember, Anshul,
yes,
right?
yes.
Nothing was, the steps were not there, the lift was not functional, right? But you still managed to come up, climb fourth, till the fourth floor. And, you took the measurements and you went. So that really touched me a lot, to be honest.
Ah,
That part
thank you,
plays a
thank
big role
you.
in, us, partnering together. So I think that enthusiasm was amazing. So that was the pre-engagement. Once we got into the engagement, then I think your entire team, starting from Harsh, right? Yeah,
Yeah,
Harsh, and then Priyanka,
yeah.
excellent designer. I think I met her about 4 times, 3 or 4 times, and she gave wonderful ideas. And of course, I have my own aesthetic,
True.
kind of preference as well, and I'm also a creative person, so
You indeed, ma'am.
yeah. So that also was, I think, a good partnership. But the ideas that she gave, especially from an ergonomic standpoint, this is going to be functional, this is not going to be functional, this
True,
may not work better, for an Indian
true,
home,
true.
or she asked me what my usage, would be, etc. So that kind of questioning and investigation that she did,
Yeah.
that was really put into the designs by her. And of course, and so much of patience, how paranoid people are when they're making their house, right? Sahi colored tiles or slab ka match hona chahiye and all of that. So hmm.
Springa ma'am is like working with us from past 8 or 9 years now,
Oh, is it
and
okay?
yeah, and she's one of the finest. She worked in the Snadro kitchens earlier. She's
Uh-huh.
one of the largest, one of the oldest company in the whole world.
Okay.
Snadro is Italian-based company, and the
Hmm.
Hacker is a German-based company. She
Okay.
was an ex-employee of Snadro,
Mm-hmm.
so like she indeed have a lot of good
Yeah,
experience,
no,
and
that
hope that works
absolutely
for you.
figures, in the kind of interactions I had with her and the suggestions that she gave me, and the technical nuances that she, spoke about. I think it was very apparent that,
Uh,
she knows her job very well. Yeah.
Thank you. And then it goes to
Hmm.
production.
Yeah.
So how all things works in production, like production stages, because you're not aware of
I'm
it,
not
and
privy to it, yeah.
yeah,
But yeah, but another thing I'd like to mention, I don't know if you'd like to include that in the video or not. You
uh,
guys optimized the production time a lot for me, right? It was 60 days initially that you mentioned, but within I think 30-35 days,
things got
my
completed.
production was
Yeah,
ready, and you kept the ball rolling, and we got into the assembly, pretty soon. So I think that was also one big brownie point, a big,
thank you
kind
so
of
much.
a point
And
for me that you guys really expedited the production. I wanted my son to come, he was coming from abroad, and I
yeah,
wanted
you
him to just come to
mentioned
his
this.
house, yeah,
Yeah,
directly, and not go to a rented house. So that was a big plus for me as well. So production I was not privy to, but I think the kind of quality that I'm seeing, is beautiful. Again, like I said, I spoke to 10 guys. I saw, their work as well. But the finishing, how you've kind of applied things. I'm not a technical person, but the way it looks, it just seems that it's extremely premium,
Thank you
much
so
better than the
much.
others. And then coming to the assembly, I think you have a wonderful, a carpentry team, great executionists. They were so accommodative, and so swift, so nimble, and so polite. And of course, they were excellent in their job as well. The kind of work that they
Thank you,
did, they
ma'am.
did it
Thank you so
quickly,
much.
and they were very nice to speak to also. So the entire journey was a very pleasant experience.
Thank you, thank you. So the like carpenter were working at your site. I
Yeah,
think Mr. Pradeep was,
Pradeep ji, yeah.
yeah, and the supervisor is
Sunil,
Sunil ji. So
yeah, yeah.
how like because I always believe when the people are like everything goes well, right, from the designing, sometimes the manufacturing because you're not privy to it,
Yeah,
and then the sales part and everything,
yeah.
it goes well. But I multiple times the things arises like when it goes into the installation part, like
Yeah.
as per your requirements.
I think the attitude was very customer focused, and once you have a customer focused attitude, then it's very easy to work with them. They were very accommodative. I had a few changes, like some pieces of my modular study table. I didn't want them to be there as per the design. They were there, right? I
Okay.
wanted them to be on the opposite wall, right? They gave me ideas, and they were so accommodative, of any changes that I was bringing along midway as well. Right. So, like I said, extremely customer focused, very client focused. And once you are customer focused, I think the entire experience becomes so much more,
Thank you so much, ma'am.
more
Thank you
smoother.
so
Yeah.
much. So let's take this beautiful, like it's a small but a luxury home, I can say, and definitely a lot of inputs from your side as well because designers are just can guide you and
Yeah.
take out their utility out of it and make sure the technical feasibilities will work out.
Right.
But it is like color choices, and I always say beauty lies in the eye of the beholder.
Yeah.
So like color choices and everything comes from you as well.
Yeah.
So let's if you give us a home tour of like.
Sure, I can give you. But another thing I wanted to mention is about the usability of the entire house, right? That's again amazing. I did not know about that because at that time, again, I'm not a technical person. So at the time of production and our discussions, I wasn't sure that, for example, the kitchen drawers, the placement of the shutter, the placement of the pantry unit, right? I wasn't sure that this would be comfortable when I actually, would work in the kitchen, right? So that is the guidance that I got from them, from a usability standpoint. And now actually when I work, and I see, I think this is just perfect. ये तो इसी जगह के लिए बना है, and this is just so well kept and so well positioned. So I think that entire usability, the user interface as we call it, is so amazing. Not just the beauty of it, but the usability is also equally.
So
Equally,
glad, ma'am. Actually, what happens is like because the designers who are working with us have a complete like if anything goes wrong on the site, so the carpenter or supervisor can directly call to the designer.
Yeah.
This is something which is gone wrong this time. You need
Yeah.
to make sure the next time this is not going to be happen
Yeah,
again.
I know.
And same goes to the factory.
So it's like
So-
AI, right? Constantly learning, right? Artificial intelligence.
yeah, so because Furniture is one of a kind company that run all its operation in house. We have a best in class designers, unlike any other company who have freelancers sitting over there. Then most of the times if anybody claims or not, but they are most of the times it is like they don't have their own factory. If they do have, they don't have that proper machineries out there and proper management and something. So we have our own in-house carpentry team, in-house manufacturing, in-house designing team, and the installation going to be happen at your site. That too a in-house team. So what happen if anything goes wrong, like
You
because
have control over it,
feedbacks,
complete control over it.
कंट्रोल भी हो जाता है एंड फीडबैक्स पे भी हम लोग प्रॉपर काम कर पाते हैं. So ठीक है मैम, let's take a home
Let's
tour
do
of
that,
yours,
yeah.
yeah, please.
So-